and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet, you're watching Piet J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're doing some modifications today, and that is the kit power mod. I should put it right there. That is the kit power mod that we're doing, and I've just finished the kit and all the way to where I have the watch and I can control and have the battery box in with all the batteries in there, but I'm going to put the modification in, power mod in, because then I can use a battery and the USB cable that is provided with it. So I'm going to go straight to it. Okay, so we've got the cap. That is the cap that will go into the battery pack, the battery area. We've got where we can had that switch, we can put this little thing in, and let me zoom in a bit. So we've got that little thing there that we have that switch. We have these cables. It's too much. There we go, that's better. Then we've got an extension that you can put in, main power harness they're calling it, that you can use, but that will, if you put this in, you have extra cables in there, and it's for example for a dashboard mod or anything like that. So I'm not putting this one in, so that goes back into this beautiful box, and I'm not using that one. We've got adapters with that as well, for the English and for the European. We've put a switch for that to put it on mains. We can still use that, and we've got a really nice USB socket, which is not here at the moment, but I've got it somewhere else. So what we're going to do first is put these cables through and put that right there. And when that is in, we're going to put that ring over the whole thing and onto the back of it to keep the socket in. You cannot put them through all at once. That's a little bit hard. So we're going to put that on there and screw that in, but we must make sure that it is straight. So we've got that battery, and this is the battery that I want to use to fire this whole thing up. So we're going to take the whole thing out. We're going to save those screws because we're going to use them again. So this whole battery pack we're not using, so I take those batteries out. And then I'm going to get that cable out of the way. Look, beautiful, isn't it? I'm not going to wear that, but it's a nice thing. Right here. And we're going to have a look, because that little thing, and I'm using the top camera for this, that little lip needs to go under, like so, and then we can screw everything back in with the screws that we put the whole thing in with anyway. So I put them aside neatly. By the way, that is the best way to grab your screws, just to let the screwdriver, which is magnetic, to grab it. We've got a spare, a to the board, and an extension. The spare you can put away straight away, because that is not going to be used for me, but you can use it somewhere else if you want to. They always do that for our extra mods that you want to do. So to the board is the most important one for us now, which is the CK sockets that we have here, that we took the from the board. Okay, everything is in. Now we're going to get that cable out. Oh, sorry. So that cable thing is, that one is in. Now we're gonna connect that one too. Well, wow, that's that engine noise. Okay, we're going to press the A button. This little motor, and I don't know what it's for, will... Press that little button, that sounds... and this is another one.
I am the voice of Night Industry 2000's microprocessor, KITT for easy reference, the kit if you prefer.
That's one sound.
I project odds of 1,000 to 1 against my meeting a more compatible human than yourself.
That's the second sound.
I am not qualified to overrule your wishes.
That speaker is a bit loud.
Yes, Michael. As Michael would say, thanks, pal. I am the voice of Night. I project odds.
Well, as you can see, the most important thing is running, and it's running on the battery that I have, so I'm bloody happy with that. I don't need... I just can put... with my X-Wing, I have the same thing. I can just put that there, and I'm bloody happy with that. So let's pull that cable, and that one as well. So that's the power mod by Model Mods, and really happy with that. So that is the power mod done. I'm happy with that. It works pretty darn good. I've put it back into the cupboard there, or I've put it right there. I'm really happy with it, as you can see in the background. Almost can see it in the background, right there, right there you can see it. And well, I'm going on with more builds because it's early in the morning for me. Well, not really 10:30, but I'm going on. I need to hydrate, so that's why I have my tea in front of me, and I will be going on with that tea. So thank you very much for sticking out all the way to the end, and please join me next time on any of my other builds. This one is a slightly irregular one, but you'll see it, and I'll post it straight after this one is posted, or a day after this one. The previous kit is posted, so that would be an odd day that I will be posting that. But thank you very much again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and I do hope to see you next time on any of my other builds. Thank you, and bye bye.